The quiet and peaceful neighborhood of Pakistan Quarters in Karachi descended into chaos when the Karachi Electric Supply Corporation attempted to upgrade its distribution system in the area. Rashid, a resident of this community, says that intense voltage fluctuations started playing havoc with electric fixtures and home appliances soon after the KESC started work to improve electricity supply in the area. And this improvement did not go down well with the residents.
The cables were burning, right? The cables were burning on their poles, and the sparking, non-stop sparking. Air conditions, fans, and TV, computer, laptops, whatever the things were used in there, hardly things are left.
Improvised connections can be seen where circuit breakers should be in place. Cables connecting to the area's transformer lie dangerously exposed. As a result of electricity fluctuations, residents have suffered thousands of rupees in damages.
Okay, my device is not working, my monitor is not working, my tube lights are burnt, my fans are not working, and my speakers are burnt, and my motor, water motor, is not working, and my refrigerator is also, my television is not working. So a lot of things in my house is not working right now because of the KESC.
Despite the passage of almost a week, KESC is yet to assess the damage that its recklessness has caused. Like Aurangzeb and Rashid, there are 400 other families living in these quarters, and they have all suffered thousands of rupees in damages thanks to the mismanagement of electricity in their area by the KESC. With massive load shedding in its upper management, the power provider has enough troubles of its own. Instead of improving under its new management, the company's power generation capacity has actually decreased. Federal government has set a deadline for the KESC to improve its distribution network in Karachi.
कराची का एक तो डिमांड एंड सप्लाई का मसला तो अपनी जगह है, लेकिन उससे भी बड़ा मसला इनके सिस्टम कंस्ट्रेंट का है। इनका सिस्टम जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क है वो बहुत बोसीदा और बहुत पुराना था।
But citizens suffering mental agony and financial losses at the hands of the power utility have little recourse. The company has no compensation plan for residents of Pakistan Quarters or anyone else who might have suffered because of the incapability of Karachi Electric Supply Corporation. Mobin Nasir, Dawn News, Karachi.